Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix client relationships with Zoom, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing the current state of your client relationships. Identify the specific issues or challenges that need addressing. Schedule a Zoom meeting with your client. Confirm the meeting time and ensure both parties are prepared. Prepare a clear agenda for the meeting. Outline the key points you want to discuss. Consider any previous communication with the client. Start the meeting by creating a welcoming atmosphere. Introduce yourself and present any additional team members. Begin by acknowledging the existing issues openly. Express your commitment and desire to improve the relationship. Listen actively to your client's concerns without interruption. Take notes to capture important points and feedback. Ask open-ended questions to encourage dialogue. Clarify any misunderstandings that may have arisen. Reiterate the client's points to show understanding. Suggest potential solutions to address their concerns. Invite the client to share their thoughts on these solutions. Be flexible and open to adapting your proposals. Agree on actionable steps that both parties can follow. Summarize the key takeaways from the conversation. Confirm any follow-up actions or meetings that will take place. Thank the client for their honesty and partnership. After the meeting, send a follow-up email summarizing your discussion. Include the agreed-upon action items and timelines. Check in regularly to ensure that solutions are being implemented. Continue to communicate openly and transparently moving forward. Foster a positive relationship through consistent engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.